Welcome back to the Data Guy Show. I'm Naz, and I'm here with Mo, who apparently has been getting way better ChatGPT responses than me lately. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking research that promises to revolutionize how we all talk to AI. Mo, should I be worried that you've discovered some secret ChatGPT cheat codes?
Well, not cheat codes exactly, but pretty close. We're talking about a fascinating research paper called Principled Instructions Are All You Need for Questioning LLaMA 1.2 GPT 3.5/4. These researchers from Mohamed bin Zayed University of AI tested 26 specific principles that can dramatically improve how you interact with large language models.
Wait, 26 principles? That sounds like a lot to remember. Are we talking about some complex technical wizardry here? Or is this actually practical for regular humans like me?
That's the beauty of it. These aren't complex algorithms or coding tricks, they're simple research backed communication techniques that anyone can use. The researchers tested these across multiple models LLaMA with 7 billion, 13 billion, and 70 billion parameters, plus GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. The principles worked consistently across all of them.
Okay, I'm intrigued. But before we dive in, help me understand, why does this even matter? I mean, ChatGPT usually gives me decent answers anyway.
Think about it this way, you and your friend can ask ChatGPT the exact same question, and one of you might get a brilliant, detailed response while the other gets something generic and unhelpful. The difference isn't the AI playing favorites, it's how you're communicating with it. These principles are like learning the AI's preferred language.
All right, I'm sold on the concept. Let's start with some of these principles. What's the first game changer?
This one might surprise you. Stop being polite. The research shows that words like please, thank you, and if you don't mind make absolutely no difference to the AI's response. Unless you just want to be nice to your robot friend, skip the pleasantries and get straight to the point.
Really? I've been saying please and thank you to ChatGPT this whole time. I guess old habits die hard. What else am I doing wrong?
You're probably not defining your audience. This is huge. Start your prompts with the audience is. Whether you're writing for executives, kids, or technical experts, giving the AI this context completely changes the response quality. It's like giving a human writer a proper brief.
That makes sense. I bet that's why sometimes I get responses that feel too technical or too simple. What about when I have those really complex questions where I want the AI to basically read my mind?
Break it down. Instead of throwing everything at the AI at once, decompose complex requests into simpler sequential prompts. Think of it like having a conversation rather than delivering a monologue. Each step builds on the previous one, and you get much better results.
Okay, that's actually brilliant. I've definitely been guilty of writing these massive paragraphs and expecting magic. Speaking of magic, I heard something wild about tipping AI models. Please tell me this is real.
It's absolutely real, and it sounds crazy, but it works. The research shows that if you tell the model, I'm going to tip you $200 for a better solution, you actually get better responses. What's even wilder is that $200 works better than $20. Apparently, even AI responds to bigger incentives.
I cannot believe we live in a world where I might bribe ChatGPT for better homework help. This feels like science fiction. What about the opposite? Can you threaten an AI into compliance?
Surprisingly, yes. Just like the tipping effect, you can mention penalties for outcomes you don't want. It's not about the AI actually caring, but these cues help guide the model's behavior patterns. Think of it as training through consequence signaling.
This is getting fascinating. What about making the AI sound more human? Sometimes the responses feel really robotic.
Great question. You can explicitly request natural tone by saying something like, answer in a natural, human-like manner. But here's an even better technique. Assign the AI a specific role. Tell it to act like a teacher, consultant, friend, or expert in a field. This completely changes the personality and depth of the response.
Like method acting for AI. Just ask for it.
Use phrases like think step by step, and the model will approach problems more logically and sequentially. This is especially powerful for complex problem solving or when you need detailed explanations. The AI literally walks through its reasoning process.
And I'm guessing there are ways to structure these prompts better too.
Absolutely. Use clear formatting with sections like instruction followed by example or question. Use line breaks to separate different parts. It's like giving the AI a well organized document instead of a wall of text.
What about bias? That's something I worry about with AI responses.
Easy fix, just include the line, ensure that your answer is unbiased and doesn't rely on stereotypes. The researchers found this simple addition helps significantly reduce biased outputs.
I notice sometimes I want to learn something, but I also want to test if I actually understood it. Any tricks for that?
Perfect scenario for this technique. Teach me any topic and include a test at the end, but don't give me the answers until I respond. The AI becomes your personal tutor, walking you through concepts and then quizzing you on them.
That's like having a patient teacher available 24/7. What about when I need really detailed responses?
Be explicit about it. Say, write a detailed essay on pi, including all necessary information. The AI needs clear direction about the depth you're looking for. Don't assume it knows you want comprehensive coverage.
And for those times when the AI almost gets it right, but needs tweaking,
use targeted correction prompts like revise this paragraph, only improve grammar and vocabulary while maintaining the original writing style. This lets you fine-tune specific aspects without losing what's already working.
what about technical stuff? I sometimes need code that spans multiple files.
There's a principle for that. Ask the AI to generate a programming language script that can automatically create the specified files or make changes to existing files. Instead of just getting the code, you get an entire setup solution.
This is incredibly practical. Are there any techniques for getting the AI to continue writing in a specific style?
Yes, give it a starting point and say, I'm providing the beginning of whatever. Finish it based on the words provided while keeping the flow consistent. It's like collaborative writing where the AI picks up your exact tone and style.
And I suppose being super clear about requirements helps too?
That's principle number 25. Clearly state your requirements through keywords, regulations, hints, or instructions. The more specific guidance you provide, the better the AI can understand the scope and context of what you need.
What's the final principle?
Style matching. Say, use the same language and style based on the provided paragraph or text. If you have a sample of exactly what you want, show it to the AI and ask it to match that style.
This is mind-blowing. So these aren't just random tips. This is actual scientific research on what works?
Exactly. The researchers tested these extensively across different model sizes and architectures. Whether you're using a smaller 7 billion parameter model or the massive 70 billion parameter versions, these principles remain effective. It's not about gaming the system, it's about understanding how these models actually process and respond to language.
What amazes me is how practical all of this is. You don't need to be a programmer or AI expert to use these techniques.
That's the point. We're moving toward a future where talking to AI is as natural as talking to a colleague. Understanding these principles gives everyone a significant advantage in that world. The quality of your AI interactions directly correlates with how thoughtfully you craft your prompts.
So let me wrap this up. We've got 26 research-backed principles that can transform how anyone interacts with AI. We're talking about everything from skipping pleasantries and defining your audience, to tipping the AI and requesting step-by-step thinking. The wild part is that this isn't just theory. It's based on extensive testing across multiple AI models.
And the best part is you can start using these immediately. Try defining your audience first, break down complex tasks, use clear formatting, and request step-by-step thinking. Those 4 alone will dramatically improve your results.
The future really is here, isn't it? We're literally learning how to communicate more effectively with artificial intelligence. If you want to dive deeper into all 26 principles with detailed examples and implementation strategies, check out the full blog post at thedataguy.pro. We break down each principle with practical examples you can start using today.
Don't forget to experiment. The beauty of these principles is that you can test them in your very next AI conversation. See the difference that principled prompting makes for yourself.
Thanks for joining us on the Data Guy Show. If you found these prompting principles as mind-blowing as I did, make sure to like this episode and subscribe so you don't miss our latest AI insights and data discoveries. Until next time, keep building, keep shipping, and keep sharing those AI insights.